Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to present about KAIA Heights Sri Kembangan Selangor. So I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Razi Jeffrey bin Azhar. My student ID is 2022468934. I'm from class CEEC 110-4C1. So next we're going to talk about introduction green building. Building with ecological principles in mind to create a healthy environment is known as sustainable construction. According to Professor Charles J. Kibble, states that the 6 guiding principles of sustainable construction are conserve, reuse, recycle, renew, protect nature, create non-toxic and high quality by implementing energy efficiency, green technology, and sustainable development method. The industry hopes to lessen its environmental impact. So next, we're going to move to the company background. UEM Sunrise Berhad is a company engaged in property development, real estate investment, macro township development, high-rise residential, commercial, retail, and integrated development. Property management and project and construction service are among UEM Sunrise core competence. Founded in 2008, UEM Sunrise in headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. So next, we're going to move to the concept of the green building. The development conserves some existing forestry from the sites, utilize compost, recycle from horticulture waste, and has an elevated car park for full nature ventilation. So next, we're going to talk about parties that involve. There are a few companies that involve in many kind of term for the active joint venture and a society in terms of financial, in terms of vendor partnership program, and in terms of sustainable related partner. For the big company that I know for active joint venture and a society is Gamuda, Sime Darby, and Cahaya Jauhar Sendian Berhad. For in terms of financial, as I know, Affin Bank is partner with Maybank Islamic. So next we're going to talk about green building element in terms of landscaping. Open green space and vertical farms. What is the benefit? In order to create metropolitan areas that are sustainable, green places like park, marshes, lakes, wood, or other ecosystems are essential, while trees create oxygen and remove pollutants from the air. These spaces are critical for keeping cities cool. Next, we're gonna talk about the material. Reclaimed wood. With the use of reclaimed wood technology, timber from Asian buildings may now be disassembled without compromising its integrity. Contractor and carpenter can use reclaimed wood in new building project or in home furnishing and decor. What is the benefit? The benefit of reclaimed wood is reduce the need to cut down and harvest trees from new wood, an effective step in reducing deforestation. Old growth wood is incredibly stable and durable because of tight packed growth risks. Old growth wood is denser and thus more physically durable with better root resistance. Next is water conservation, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected from the rooftops, deposited in reservoir with filtration. Once the water is purified, can be used for cultivation, gardening, and other domestic use. What is the benefit? It lessens the impact of water scarcity and drought. Our population and industry are growing, thus our need for fresh water source is constantly growing. Yet the supply we have doesn't change. Water eventually finds its way back to Earth through the water cycle, but it doesn't always do so in the same amount of quality. We can better safeguard the environment if we consume less water. It contributes to environmental preservation. Cutting back on our water use also help to conserve fuel and lessen pollution, since it takes less energy to process and distribute water to home, companies, farm, and communities. The next element is energy efficiency window. Conventional Windows may be one of the main cause of energy loss. Heat and easily enter building during hot summer, making air conditioning system work harder. On the other hand, during the winter months, more heating is necessary because valuable interior heat escape via the window. So next is, what is the benefit of energy efficiency window? The first one is lower energy consumption by reducing heat transfer. This window can drastically cut the amount of energy. The next one is environmental impact. Environmental impact. Reducing energy use result in a smaller carbon footprint, which help create a greener future. Solar power. The process of converting sunshine into electricity, either directly through photovoltaics or indirectly through concentrated solar power. What is the benefit? The benefit of solar power is contribute to mitigating climate change toxic gas like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Next one is cutting down on air pollution. The quality of the air we breathe has an impact on our health and well-being. My recommendation for this building is to apply more solar power, because solar power an environmentally friendly way to heat, cool, and generate electricity for a house is through solar power. Solar energy is a terrific method to lessen your carbon impact, and it's getting more and more affordable. Next one is aluminium weather resistant insulated access panel. Aluminium panels keep moisture and pests out of the house while also assisting with temperature regulation. An aluminium weather-resistant insulated access panel is must-have if you want to create a tight seal that will make the space more greener and safer. We already reached to the end of the presentation. The conclusion of this project, the main advantage of green building in their contribution to pollution reduction. A large amount of air pollution is caused by facilities. Nevertheless, green building can significantly reduce emission by utilizing material and design that do so. Additional, compared to conventional buildings, green building often use less electricity and produce less greenhouse gases. Climate change may be significantly impacted by it. Green buildings assist the environment, but their occupants also get a lot from living in them. These areas have better natural light and air quality, making them cozier and healthier. We already reached to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your time. Let's embracing sustainability for better living. Thank you.